Welcome, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Robinhood listing is going to delete a zero for Terra Classic token. People have been talking about Robinhood recently listing Terra Classic, and that is going to push the price of Terra Classic. Robinhood, of course, we all know they can influence a coin price to really increase, and I believe that with Robinhood, Terra Classic is going to massively increase in price. We have been talking about Robinhood since the past 3 months, and very soon that partnership is going to happen, and the burning of Terra Classic is going to increase because the 1.2% tax bond will actually be charged whether you're buying or you're selling. Once the buying increase, the burning is going to increase, and I believe Terra Classic is going to burn out the 5.9 trillion coins very soon, with the support of Binance, with the support of Crypto.com, with the support of Kucoin. And if Robinhood coming in, that is going to add more impact on Terra Classic token. Deleting 10 simply means that's about 1000%. So imagine investing $100, and soon we might be making about $1000 profit. Terra Classic is going to bump very soon, and I believe 2023 is going to be a smiling year for Terra Classic holders. Robinhood coming in, and I believe that next year we might be seeing Coinbase also listing and partnering with Terra Classic. But remember this, Coinbase have actually listed Terra Classic before, but due to the fall of Terra Classic, they actually removed Terra Classic from their platform. And right now, people are actually asking them, Terra Classic community are asking Coinbase to please list back Terra Classic and also support Terra Classic by accepting the 1.2% tax bond. Now with Coinbase and Robinhood, we are going to experience an increase in price, an increase in market cap, increase in community and wallet addresses. Terra Classic is going to pump because they have a lot of support from not just top crypto exchanges, but also top crypto investors and crypto billionaires. For example, Binance founder CZ have been supporting Terra Classic, and he's not even giving up. He has been tweeting about Terra Classic, and one important thing is that he also owns this coin. Yes, just like you and I don't know if you have gotten your Terra Classic, but notice it is important that you have Terra Classic because you might not know where and when the Terra Classic might be pumping back to $1. Even if Terra Classic hit 1 cent, that is about 10,000% increase. Imagine having $100 right now, and your $100 will become $10,000. That is amazing, right? That is why we need to focus. We need to support and don't give up on Terra Classic. But before you do that, remember to invest what you can afford to lose. And remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.